A blessed day, viewers and subscribers. Welcome to the boss with another video. Put a like, leave a comment, and I could get straight into this. Alright, then some more time the grass not green up on the other side. Them say the other side, the grass not green. I'm going to hear a story with the lady as she meet one guy where she know from Jamaican. You know, one thing lead to another. It makes she come America. But she say right now, she in a one spot where she have a heap of thinking for do. And, you know, I'm not talk about the story. But things now go smooth like how she expect. And she starts a whole heap of red flag. Anyway, guys, I beg you know, 1,000 likes. That's 1,000. Share it for everybody. And you know, I'm going to have a fabulous after show after the story with the single people and other person with them story. So please tune in and wait for that festival over here. Anyway, guys, I could hear what she say and put a comment and like. I could listen.
Alright, so it started off, I had met this guy from high school. I was in high school. He was just starting university. We met on Facebook back in a damn long time. So we started off talking, you know, getting to know each other. We met about 3 times. And I not even know what we could stop talk, but we did stop. Fast forward now to 2023. I was on Instagram and, you know, made the anonymous question thing where you post and people that send you anonymous messages. Then I see somebody sending a message, said they miss me. So I say, who is this? Private message me. The person send them initial, but from them send the initial with the private, with the anonymous message, me know say it was him. So we start talk on the app and then exchange numbers and we just pick up like regular where we come where we drop off. And him say him live over here, him live in New York and him have a daughter now and stuff like that. So me say I have a son and you know we're catch up everything. So he must say to me say like if I'm single, because he's single and we can get if you know each other back whatever we did left off. Because you know them the time they not even did no serious relationship. As I say, I just 3 times we did meet and we did just stop talk. That was September. Fast forward to November. This time now we in a relationship. We talk every day, we text, we drop asleep on the phone, we do everything. Then he texts me one morning and said, I'd like for you and his son to come and live with me. So I said to him, say, I can't just get up and make a decision like that because I have my whole life here and I have to think about my son as well and you know all of that. So I tell him to think about it because at this time him not even come and look for me yet. Because him say him did just do him citizenship test and him did wait for him passport. Fast forward to December now, him get him passport. So okay, I'm gonna come and see you in January. Come January, vibes right, everything. I'm the nicest person you can meet ever. And you know we try to build a bond. Because you know, say a long distance relationship, you have to keep the sparks and you know everything. Him go back the last of January, and him say you make a decision. Him say yes. I say we'll come. Whatever I'm saying right then.
So hold on, to cap in, when I say make a decision, as in like to live together. So
yes.
What was the plan? Him to come live with you or you are gonna live with him?
Me I go live with him.
Okay. All right.
So him say, all right then. Me I go get the paper, whatever. Him send me go take some passport size photo and scan them through the notes and send them to him. So I did that. Him fill out the form and send it. Fast forward to June. Him come back and see me. As I say, me not see no fault, me not see no problem, me not see no red flag. He's a nice person. I make him meet my family. I make him meet my friends, whatever. And, all of that. I went with him, where him come from, meet his family, and all of that. Fast forward now, K1 visa approved in 2024. I come up September of 2024. We got married November. Right, you have 90 days. So we got married November. Got the marriage certificate December. But before all of that, I remember them give you a couple of months for the visa to expire. The visa expire in a March, this coming March, it will expire. So I tell him, say, I'm not ready for coming yet, because I'm a very organized person. I have my son, and me alone him have from him born till now. Because my family, them not even big part family either. Like my father, I don't really have nobody in my corner. Everybody just stick to themselves. So I make sure I say I'm a present person in his life to provide and, take care of him. So me tell him, say, I want to stay because I'm working. So me say, I want to save some money for when the adjustment of status time come. I can adjust my status because me not like this sit down business. I'm a go-getter. So I want to be able to work. And say, no man. Me get the K1 visa. It was approved. Say it approved today. And by next week, you want to come.
Okay. So I'm going to ask you something now. When I get the visa, the K1 visa is a visa different from the fiancé visa, or I said visa?
No, it's the same visa.
K1, okay, all right.
Yeah.
Because more people always use fiancé visa, so I don't know the difference. So that's why I'm asking. All right, so question I'm going to ask you. So you guys did get married then, basically?
No, we get married when I came here.
So with the K1 work now, when you're married, you can stay in the country, or you have to leave and then you come back?
No man, you can stay.
Oh, okay.
You can stay, but you have to get married within the 90 days.
Okay, so you went ahead and do that, and then now you live in a house now, and what happened now? Why problem now?
All right, so I bring up to him the fact.
Well, pause. Your son there at Jamaica then?
No, my son they here with me.
So the fiancé visa make you and him come up?
Yeah, K1 and K2.
Oh, okay. No, you could have worked so.
K2 allow you to bring your child with you.
Okay. All right. Good information, so people can learn. All right. So what happened now? When they are foreign now, you and your son are moving with him. Talk to me now.
Yeah, so I'm going to bring up the fact now and say, I said to him, because to be honest with you, if you're in a genuine relationship, you're not really a fair rush to adjust your status because, it's a forever thing. So I said to him, say, we can look about the work permit because the work permit is for $260, I think. So I said to me, say, you cannot apply for the work permit without, everything because of this. So you just have to send in all the paperwork one time, which is understandable. No lies told because I'm going to read up on it and it's true. So me hear him, I said to me, say, if me don't want to be a stay-at-home wife. So I said to him, say, I'll never be a stay-at-home wife because first of all, me want to accomplish a lot of things in my life. That being a stay-at-home wife, me not accomplish that. So he said to me, say, all right, understandable, whatever. Fast forward again. You saw him go supermarket, like a 4 away, because as I say, him have a daughter. When you go supermarket, you have to shop for your family. I'm not working. I'm unable to work, but I just sit down and know I work. So at that time now, I hear him come in and say, I wanted to take time with the food in the house because food, whatever. So I said to him, say, what you mean? And I you put on only for big shopping. When you go to the supermarket, I pay a piece of food you buy, and a 4 will live here. And mind you, when me cook, him come in and eat him dinner, him eat again that night, plus me have to share him dinner for work. Plus the picnic them, plus me. So I'm gonna make sure I cook every day. Most time I'm gonna cook like on Saturdays. So may I say them there's something now go work. Next day, my son, we say Christmas come and
so question I'm gonna ask you, your son how much?
My son was 9 yesterday.
And when did he have a daughter, you say?
Yeah.
She live with him?
Yeah.
She how much?
She have 5.
She have 5. Oh, okay. All right. So basically now, continue with this with your son. You just say something about your son.
Yeah. Me say Christmas come, right? Remember, Damien, me now ask, like, I'm a type of person, me no biggie. I do so stay for a long time. When me see Christmas I come, me the kind of feel away because I say to myself, say, my Christmas pass, I'm not able to buy my son something with on his wish list, at least one thing. And from a long time, me hear him say, he want a Roblox card. He want a Roblox card. So when me see now Christmas Day come and, because it's like a family house. It's a 3-story house. You have family upstairs and it down here, so.
My God, Jesus. That sounds like a recipe for disaster.
Yes.
Family house. Jesus, God. You never tell her all of that before you come?
No, sir.
Oh.
No, sir. He never tell me that.
Make it sound like a theme place in there and
right.
Yes, come in our phone own space. Damn.
Yes. So, when me say Christmas come now and me see everybody at home them gift, me not care for the gift, because me a big man, me not really care. But me I say, kids. So me say his mom, remember I know she not obligated to. His mom, she buy my son a gift. And one of the sisters them buy him a gift as well. And I was so appreciative of it. I said to myself, say, you're a step pitney. And you never put in the effort for buy not even an ice cement for him. His daughter's birthday was in December. And me get up because me not forget them something. Me get up and me and my son sing happy birthday and, make sure that she have a good day. And keep party fair upstairs. My son's birthday was yesterday and not even get up and say happy birthday. My son get up and knock on the door and come in and say, Mommy, it's my birthday. I'm say happy birthday, baby. You know what he turned and said to him? Well, I'm going to lay down too early. Him could have at least started happy birthday. When we get up, wait, whatever. Never said that. I say, okay. I don't really care still. Because my job to make sure I say him alright. And I kind of explain everything to him already. So listen, I don't have no money, whatever. My son left Jamaica with 2 pair of shoes because, we left in the time when school opened. So the shoes didn't know me. We're careful for him. Left with 2 shoes. And him did buy him a jacket when him come. I see the pitney wear the jacket. I'm ask him, say, can you buy another jacket for him? Because the one jacket, you can't see the jacket.
So one jacket him did over there everywhere?
Everywhere. School.
Oh God.
Doctor. Everywhere. The one black jacket. I see what I do cool and I see my fear wrap up in finger. I say buy a pair of gloves. So him hand can keep warm and stuff. I see him buy one gloves and that the gloves there when he put on the gloves him still a complain say him hand cold. So I say why you never buy something for winter? So anyway, I say to myself, say, next thing before I go, I see one of the picnic them from upstairs come downstairs with a white Air Force shoes.
Mm-hmm.
You know what Air Force shoes stay.
Mm-hmm.
When they worn out, you can't see it.
Mm-hmm.
Stay. They say, forgive your son this. I say, my son, what? Forgive my son what?
Mm-hmm.
You know what's the truth there, man?
Who's a forgive me?
One of the sisters them from upstairs.
Mm-hmm.
I said, no, sir, but a fool. Everybody in this house I take with a fool.
Mm-hmm.
So, I say, you know what? Me I go try to get a job.
Mm-hmm.
Even though I'm not supposed to work, but
Mm-hmm.
I try. I join one group for me see for people who don't have no papers. Go in the group and them say we fee attend a training because you know CNA job.
Mm-hmm.
Them say we fee attend a training and it was all the way in New Jersey and New York really. So I make sure tell him like 2 weeks before say, I don't want you to carry me go New Jersey because I'm going to try and get a job. Him say, oh, I need a job. And say, yes, I need a job.
So hold on, even though you're not working, what him do for you? He give you money a week time, spending money, etc. What happened? Talk to me about this, so yeah.
Nothing at all I don't get.
So you just stay, what's the way you stay home and do?
Right now, I lay down here, so I watch the TV until I time to go pick up my son.
Mm-hmm.
That is
so
it.
with the fiance K1 visa after you're married, how long you have to wait to get which paper you don't want now to start work? How is system go?
Alright, so after you apply for you put in the paper them, the adjustment of status.
Mm-hmm.
Normally, they would have sent the work authorization first.
Mm-hmm.
And then after them sending the work authorization, then you know after that they would have you get the interview date to get your green card.
Oh, okay.
But them say you're not supposed to work because if them catch you at work, that is a recipe for disaster.
Jesus. So you know one look out. So how long your thing that take for green card that take for come to you now? Based on an application, yeah.
You see with these applications like your K1, you know say enter legally.
Mm-hmm.
So nowadays I see people that take 4 months to get approved. Because in a one little group of me and watch the update and I see people with K1 that take 4 months.
And you say reach up November or September?
Yeah.
November.
September. No man, September.
Oh, so they reach up September, November, December, January, February. So you don't have much long for wait then?
No.
Mm-hmm.
So the following day now, we reach at Jersey by 10 o'clock. Mm-hmm. I wake up early and I say to him, say, I put on my clothes because I'm serious and I go. I put on my clothes and I put on my clothes, I kiss up him teeth and I behave the most way I see you could have kiss your teeth till the kingdom come, me I go. And if you don't want to carry me, I'll find a way to reach. Because this is in my best interest of whatever.
How old are you guys? It's all like only now in the 30s.
No, he's 33.
Mm-hmm.
I'm 29.
20, you sound young based on the price tone and the type of relationship. Okay, so so what happened after that now when you say you decide to go and him kiss up in teeth?
Him makes the whole journey to reach. So when we reach, I said to him, say, because I was there waiting on the lady, and I said to him, say, I need to ask you a question. Do you feel, say, if you did come to Jamaica, if certain treatment where you give me, if you feel to say, I would have done the same?
Mm-hmm.
Him say no. So I say, you know, see, I did something wrong then? Mm-hmm. Yes. So I said, all right, that's fine. Fast forward now, I go to the lady, we get everything sorted out. She wanted to, them not have no availability in New York away at Jersey. Mm-hmm. And when we go like 2 hours away, so I say, when something come up in New York, we don't let me know then. Mm-hmm. So we come back home. And for the whole period, them not really in him because I say, I can't believe you make me come because Damien, as me tell you, I'm a very hard worker. I left, when I did Jamaica, I left, I go Caribbean Island, and I go work, and I go build up one little 2-bedroom, bathroom, kitchen, everything, so me and my son can boil all right. Oh,
so you have a house out here then?
Right.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
And he knows that. So, what did he? fast forward, as I tell you, yesterday was my son's birthday. And I said to my son, I'm going to, them food place upon the corner was selling the sandwich, the Philly cheesesteak. Him love that. So I go buy one and get it for him. I watch the whole rake throughout the whole entire day. Him not say nothing to him. Him not give him nothing. Sorry, then. It's fine. I can send you a picture now. See the suitcase right there, so I come here with 3 suitcases. One for myself, and one next one with my documents and my photos. So I close them there right now. The suitcase open because it can't close because I close them inside of it. I close them, still in them, and I get a drawer to put my clothes them in after now. It come like a vacation because I close them still around the same suitcase.
Yes. Okay. Wow.
Yeah. So one time now, I clean the place, and when I look in our bag of some money, that I see in the bag I hide. And I said, this man not have to hide nothing from me because I not beggy. I love to hold me on. So him have some little dirty attitude, like him want to treat people a certain type of way, like him look upon people like they're beneath him. Even him own nephew. But from me see how him treat the nephew, I should have said him not go treat nobody else the same. The only person him care about really is himself and his daughter. Because I tell us that there was no red flag with this person while I was home until me catch her. So I bear different treatment, different thing. Even with the work permit, me hear me say, how we can, because he must say June, he want to go to Jamaica and he need to go for a vacation and this and that, and we can stay home and babysit. And that's not even the worst part, And him alone for the vacation. Him and his family. And his family have kids. So he basically, he want me to stay home with everybody pick me. While them do what them do. Back home. I tell him straight up, say that not gonna work. And summer is not going to catch me in here for so long and I babysit. It's not going to catch me.
Yeah, but even if you are babysitting, they're supposed to come together and make sure, say, all right, your name Sandra, you know, work and you're there and you have a son. We could come together and give her $200 for a week. Just saying.
No. Them do that. I babysit enough time there. When them come down, we send them back up because they'll say, So no.
That's why basically, I just want your status approved so you can go and work. And when the time you start work, they say problem will come in.
Well, to be honest with you there, man, I tell myself, say, even with the social security, I go look about the social security yesterday. I'm tell him long time from I come say, you see, because come here illegally, we can't look about it. Long time. And because he want to claim upon in taxes, that's why I feel like saying I rush to look about the social security now. Because he never did a rush to do it before. But him say, when him get the money for the tax return, he might go look about it. And I tell myself, say, the only thing, because I went and I speak to an army recruiter already. Because everything they write us. So I go and talk to him already. And the only thing I need to go and do is the ASVAP. And because me not have certain things yet, I said to him, I not waste the time and say me I can do it and I don't have certain things. Because that don't really make no sense. And him said to me, say, all right then. Him no want me to do certain type of job. Him no want me for this. Him no want me for that. And every time I talk something, he speak fear in my plan. If I tell him I want buy a car, why you buy a car? Did I carry a whole car? Fear. Every plan I say I have, he speak fear in my plan. It's like we're here, but we're not here. I saw him behave. And when me there at the time, I could have bad. Just to see him like me could have bad. I could have talk to people on my phone. I could have do what I want for them. I could have go up on the road. I don't have no money. I could have go up on the road. But they're here. I try to be, you know, the best person I can be. So you need to be the best person you can be for me.
But when I understand him, have a dear, but me I say, no spending money, no giving no money like $100 or $300 and say, babes.
No money.
Go get
No
something.
money.
So
no
none of
money.
us, this is the problem I have now. None of us speak about these things before you come.
We sit down the first time we come in January, we talk about it, but we never talk about it as much. And when time he come back June, we sit down and we have conversation about it. That's the time when he might tell me about where him live. And me tell us him never mention nothing about family. Right? We sit down and we talk about it, say how much he make a month and you know, allowance and this and that and we're comfortable and all of that when I have
So when baby mother there, which part in daughter mother come from? Jamaica or over there?
Over here.
Oh, over there. Okay.
Yeah. So me not really really stressed. To be honest with you, it depends on my mind, you know.
So you plan to do when they start work and all of them something there? What you plan? Or suppose when they start work and them something there, what happen? You believe that the marriage you go work? Or I think when you marry too quick, I think this marriage based on you coming and getting a status in America than a real life plan when you sit down and plan this thing the right way. What do you think? That's how we get funny.
Me think so because that's why them always talk about the K1 visa. It forces you to get married.
Because you get married, right.
If you're not married, you have to go back home.
Wish you could have, it would have best if you did go and date him for at least 1-2 years, then he come down, married you, and then he put up on file in your son and want to wait.
Yes.
You understand? I think that would be the best case. Even though Trump come in with one policy now where all of that depend pass. So person who well want. But you didn't live at Jamaica, so and I like say, you know, suffer. Yeah, your son and make ends meet and go on with yourself.
Yes, because when he met me, ever since he met me, I've never been out of a job. I'm always working. Yes, always working. So, and me even for his birthday, for Valentine's Day, I make sure I buy things online and ship it to him. So him can have a good birthday, have a good Valentine. Sometimes I just buy just because. Then, you understand? To make him feel nice. And then because something because as me tell you, man, when me in a relationship, me love to make my partner feel how me want to feel. So I believe so you should make me feel love, make me feel the love. Same way. How, you know, how me make you feel. But even for my birthday was in December. As well, if you even forget to tell that party. My birthday was in December. Me not asking for nothing. The only thing me say, I want to go Times Square. Because I want to experience, I want to see the lights and, you know, the billboards and all of that. Yeah. So, all right. Fast forward. Him say, him now get to carry me my birthday weekend because him friend them will come up and them will go out. It's all right.
Jesus God, serious?
Yes. And I woman friend them, you know. I say, all right. I just make it stay. And one at a time I say, you know, I don't even want for bad I go away. I don't even in the mood. For bad I go away because my vibes already cut. So go away. Even for our wedding day, we get married around 12 o'clock. And we did for go restaurant, go eat. Like 12:30 after we go take some pictures. After we come in, him gonna go with him friend him. We not spend the night the later in a bed and cuddle. Or nothing. At all. So me not to be honest with you.
What you plan to do now?
I plan. Me said to myself, say, it's a relationship where me don't really want to work. But if it's not going to work, me not go force it because there's a lot of red flag already. When me see, and me not go ignore them. Because when you ignore them, they only get worse.
Mm-hmm.
So I tell myself, say, I'm going to suggest counseling first. And if the counseling not work, I just wake up it. Even if me not get no status, me not really care. Because as me tell you, when me dey home, I'm always working. Me have my house and I like me now go back out the door.
Mm-hmm.
So if we exhaust them the option there and them no work, then that is it. Me now kill up myself.
So your son gone to school today?
Yes, man, in Ghana school.
Mm-hmm. I love when you be with the son that I want. Him not show no, because your son need a father figure. Somebody where you can talk to and stand up. And these are the things where I say, you have to, advise people, not just rush going on something through foreign. See, make sure say, the man come around and if he come and you see him bring things for your kid, you can't know from earlier. No? If a man know you have pitney, you see him visit. And you see him carry all pants, shoes and things for your pitney, you know, say, the man that have an intention to try be a good. To try, me use the word try, be a good stepfather.
Yeah, but when he come to Jamaica, you know, he make sure my son have school bag, book, you know, everything. He even pack a little suitcase with cereal, snacks. Some them always carry things for him. But
you know, see that now since in there for him.
I'm not seeing nothing now.
So then again, me reach up about that. Some people are maybe can pretend like them care, but really and truly them not really. I just feel impress you as the mother to make you think say, yeah. So there goes, as well you say, maybe other ladies might do that to me if you impress me, if you say, yeah, them is a good stepmother. So I understand what I say, makes sense.
Because if me did see these red flags, I would not come. May I tell you the truth? Because my son are the most important person in my life.
Where is your son father?
In there, Jamaica.
But he's not a father figure to your son? Or?
No, sir. He's never been there.
Never been there, okay.
No, never at all. I'm a friend them. I have this friend in Jamaica and she so when I need nothing. That's from I come here. The clothes them when I come here with me still have them. It's my birthday suit. And she ordered my birthday suit off of Fashion Nova. Send come on my address. She ordered.
So not even a birthday suit man could buy girl?
Not even. I may tell him. I may tell him some I want. I may tell him some I need. A suit of clothes and a shoes. And when I send him the shoes, it was, you know, the black and white Nike shoes. Him say, oh, I don't have money to buy that. The man came in and want all the run down store to go buy my shoes. I said, but an idiot you take me for? A fool you take me for me to school to this class and nobody buy me. Nobody buy me.
Oh my God.
So, I'm a friend from Jamaica.
You know, so when you're at Jamaica, this man maybe I provide more money and things for you. When you're at Jamaica, I might try to impress you, know. I make you know. So,
I must impress me. But I'm not impressed by material things.
No, I know. Just some basic things that we are talking about, like shoes. I know if a Jamaica they don't want the shoes.
He might send the money
send the money come for your bite. But you are foreign now. Lord God.
And every time my family them text me, oh, no, you're all right, you're a good man, you know, all different kind of stuff. Me can't, because you know, I'm a type of person. I don't really like too much people in my business.
Yeah. So
I have one friend, and she me talk to because even the same family members, them glad to see I go through things. For taking a walk and talk. So me nobody.
Nobody say nothing to them.
Right.
All right, we reached 32 minutes now, so you can let me know finally what. So you decide say you want to work on your marriage, basically.
I would love to work on it, but if you not work, then
yeah. Well, me would want for you talking to you and listen to all of this. This is my opinion. All right, so you don't have to go for my opinion, but this is what me would advise you to do. I think you need to get your papers them together and whatever. And then when you get a job now, then now you can see how things turn for the best right there.
Yeah.
You understand? So once you start right now, you're going to try and make your money. Yeah, make your own money now. So this now we're going to have a problem now again. Maybe when you start making your money now, I'm going to tell you, say, we are going to do this together and we have to do this together. Because let me tell you this, foreign different, when you start make money, but if you say all of the money that go just lock in your purse and send back to Jamaica Island now.
Yeah.
things are going to change. Some of us advise you for now, because I hear them story over and over. And the now you're going to decide if you can work together or what going to happen. But this is the thing now, guys. Good for us jumping or something, because we feel say, yeah, this is love. We used to talk and we meet up back, so this is a fairy tale ending. This not sound like a fairy tale ending to me.
But I will always say, because me I say, a fate lead us back together for all them years then.
Fate.
That's what we always say, But
the situation not that bad to bad, but it's getting
it's
there.
not that bad, but
yeah, it's on the verge to get really, really bad. I'm gonna like to keep up to date with the story here. Like maybe next 5-6 months, you can come back and say, yeah, me I work, or this is what I do, or what is what.
Yes, man, because remember, I tell the same way about doing tax, something for apply for adjustment of status. So when you go through that process there, or if you refuse to go through that process there, then we give you an update and tell you what I'm going to do going forward.
All right. That sound bad. But yeah, just keep your head high and just hope for your best. I don't love the way my cheater son and I don't love the way my cheater. It's a total different treatment. That's how I get from the story. And you then in a position now where you're at a place where you don't have no power. So you have to
I have nobody. You have one little friend,
right.
One little family, nobody.
And you don't have no money. You can do what you want for the. But me I say, as a wife, a man supposed to can give you money. If even $200, $250.
But my friend, I said to me, say if I have $100 a month, you not even that bad.
You know, but something make you have one little account and give one little money, or make you have your credit card or something, and you do your little thing. A wife and husband, a teamwork that, So, because you go when you start work, and I know say you're going to be, you're going to broke loose. I can tell you for now, you're going to broke loose. And I tell you say this, I don't want to be negative, I want it work, but I see when you get in a job, it's going to cause one big problem. Trust me, take it as I tell you.
Why?
Yeah, man. Whole heap of problem about it. You're going to end up maybe move out to the sun and live somewhere, whatever.
Probably, me never.
And let me say this to you. Even though you might be a foreign, if things not work out how you want, you just pack up and come back to Jamaica. Jamaica, you had. Well, you have to come back if you do business about people. Come back and try to get in your little job because you survive, you can eat and you have your freedom and you can buy one little something when you want and live your life until maybe you come back,
They me not really care what people want to think. Me see people afraid to go back to Jamaica because people are going to say this or people are going to say, I don't care. Me tell you, say, me always at work. I bus me drive to Jamaica. Me make a good little money sometimes, depending on the day. You understand? Me have one little house. Me now wait if rain fall. The only thing me really need is grocery and to pay my bills. And, that's it. So me not afraid. If me tell you, say, if it not work, if it not do nothing, I'm going home.
Right.
I'm not staying here because I not stay up and down. One thing when I always fear if you stay up and down for ice and this and that. I not see that in my future because me just can't bother with that. I tell them, I cannot bother with that.
I agree with you 100%.
No, me not. Remember, say, me a citizen of somewhere too, but nobody not run me down. So better me go on home.
Right, that's some of them friend. All right. Big up yourself and thanks to share this. I want to hear enough ladies also read the comments. Come I like to hear enough women in the field, in the position there with that thing. You understand and hear what them have to say.
Yeah.
So that's how we always do it. You don't know how long you watch me?
A long time now, me watch every morning, me get up and watch.
That means you watch me from Jamaica and you never
from
know.
From Jamaica, me watch you and listen.
And you never know, so you go have one day and call me about your story and your situation. You see, that's why I tell everybody.
No, you never know the situation we are going up in.
Me tell people that some people, this can't reach me. Them are idiot, right? Me say, it's okay, man. Know yourself, man. We all know it's all right. Me better you talk and call me. So that's how you go. But keep your head high and go and focus, and more you get through the paperwork where you can start work, and then now you see how it goes. So I look for you about 5 years to that February further down in a year. And keep me updated.
All right, then.
And keep my audience updated, all right?
All right, then.
Yeah, man.
Thanks.
Big up yourself.
Yeah.
Yeah, guys, in the year we're going. Comment below and tell me what you think.
Boss on the single and can't find one man, so I look man, yeah. What now do? Now come in the box and take him, ladies. Who are coming in the box and take him? 49 old. So which way you want a woman from?
Anywhere. Me no, the youth when a salad, mix salad, a nice woman and she ready for settle down, I don't mind.
What age you go offer?
30 to 40 or over.
30 to 40
Or
or
over.
over. Okay. Alright, ladies, so you hear that? One of the one I wanna come in the box, come claim him. Well, I'm saying nobody are coming in the box. Well, let me look. Also, I match 2 person here yesterday. Then come in the box. DJ Rika, Ronnie, everybody, Rudy Williams, big up on yourself. Good night, Damon. Big up yourself, Jasmine Duncan. Anybody are coming in the box for him? Big up Mackie. Anybody coming in the box for him? Ladies, you know, a boss on the single. So a man in the box, you come no man. But if the man did say he live in America or Canada, you run up a long time. And he did say he live in Canada or America, the amount of woman a tear down a request line. But you there at Jamaica, they must believe maybe them have to say you broke and pop and you try like them. You know that's a Jamaica woman time.
True. But
And he did say, if he come on and say, I'm from Britain, I'm looking at a nice Jamaican woman, I just need a nice lady to build with. I'm tired of British lady. You don't see the amount of them I text. They man give me a little man number them. Let me say try him out. I know when they say try out, you know what that mean.
yes.
Western Union, MoneyGram, JN, Money Transfer, RIA, PayPal. You understand? Cash App no work in England, but them a make it work. Let me tell you. Yeah, man.
I love
So
when you talking
ladies,
just like it is. I love when you talking just like it is, my brother.
yeah, no man, that's what me roll, man. Just get to the point. Hold on, so somebody else a company line. Me say, oh, Florida. Florida daddy, where you up to?
Yeah, wake up, boss. How God?
Good day, man. Where you up to, me G?
Remember me to ask you about the Airbnb, dog, and the car rental. I'm on the plane me there right now, you know, how to call you, you know.
You know my number?
I think, yeah, man, me have a number, man.
Yeah, man, text me on WhatsApp with me a talk, yeah? Off you.
Alright, bro.
Yeah. So who are coming out? You see, nobody now come up here, bro. You see the problem we have? The woman them a boss, then you know much woman in. Did I talk to one Christian woman?
Yeah, no problem, man.
Nothing but one of them now coming in your box to say, I'm gonna come and try to change your brother your life and try making count. Come in here like a church with a nice woman if you get a nice woman off a platform.
Yeah.
Right now, I'm looking at a chat. Whole heap of woman over here. Canada, America, Jamaica, and none of them are coming in your box. You have the money which part of there?
Huh?
You have any money which part of there?
Yeah, man. I'm a hard working person, you know.
But I tell you, if you just hold up the money and count out, you make them know say you think a little.
That's
Maybe when they
no,
see
watch.
that,
What? Yes, when if I look at a woman just to few things and it's not a good woman.
me know, but why you have to use something for catch, for lower than woman that to your car, then now just come so.
Mm.
Yeah, man.
Me travel, you know.
You travel?
Me travel, you know. Yeah, me travel,
Which
man.
one?
Me
You
travel
have
early, man.
visa? You have visa?
Florida. My mother live in Florida, you know. Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
how
Me
much your
travel
visa?
till I talk.
Well, how much your visa you have?
10 years.
10 years. Oh, so much you travel already?
Yeah. Couple time, man. I just the other day, me the day, me come to Jamaica. You can't check me thing, them go and go through me thing, you see. Me travel one, but through me not like talk, me not like, you understand me? With a person like this, not like the excite.
Okay. So yeah, that does if it so you're willing to travel and find a woman and find.
Yeah, man, we not a problem, man. But as me say, me just want somebody who interested, will love me. Just love me like I wanna be loved.
But when your last relationship?
From September, you know.
Last year September?
Yeah.
Last year September. Okay. So you're single from so call it 5 months for you're single.
Some
No.
I don't want to show you
When
that's
you
stupid.
go to Florida, when you travel to Florida, how much hours it take on the plane to reach Florida?
Uh, me left from depends. Sometimes depends on the flight. Too, you know. Depends
No,
on the
I talk
flight.
a direct
Sometimes
flight. No, man, I say if you take a direct flight from Norman Manley, because more likely Norman Manley, you say how much hours it take to reach Florida?
it's 12 hours
How much hour?
or 12.
Oh, so it take 12 hours from Norman Manley to go straight to Florida from Jamaica.
Because me have to fly from Kingston, you know.
Yeah, so from Kingston to so one flight. So as I jump on the plane, so you carry to Florida. And you just
And where do you go Guyana too, you know? I go Guyana when? I go Guyana couple months too. I go
so much
Guyana go
place,
work.
so much place you go, man.
I go to security work, man. I go to security work at Guyana, man. You can go through my page and see it, you know.
Okay.
Hey,
Yeah,
me
so
have
we
a big
can go
farm, you
to
know,
the page.
in Jamaica, you know.
Hold on, let me see your name. Hold on, your name. David, hold on.
Yeah.
David.
Go through my page and yeah.
David,
Go through my page,
aka
man.
David,
Conga.
aka Congo. Yeah, boy, like girl, them I
My brother.
wonder. Oh, see, yeah.
Thing now. Actually, me not really like talk, my brother, because me not like you know.
All right, so me see on
A
your
farmer
page,
too, you know, man. Yeah, me
you look
grow
like
man
you
these things.
me see say you look like you travel, but me not sure if I Florida you go. Me gonna be honest with you. Me not think you go Florida though. Yeah. I mean always, cause me I
Live a
type of
Florida,
guy
man.
like
Mother live a Florida.
your mother live in Florida, but you not go Florida, my G. Cause there's no way from
I'm going to
Jamaica to
one.
Florida. But yeah, tell me say it take about 12 hours to travel from Norman Manley to
Hold
Florida
up.
if it's a straight flight. It not take so long, bro. Maybe hour and a half, 2 hour depends. So that's why I ask you. Cause when they switch up and say you travel, we just want to get an
Got there.
idea. Huh? So what me I try to say now, we have to
Yeah.
be careful when we come up here and we are talk some things, cause me the type of guy where I go grill you and I go drill you right down.
Yeah.
You know, if somebody a drill something, yeah.
Yeah.
I go drill you right down.
Yeah.
I'm gonna hear what you say. I go find out. Me now if you send up one out, you can look on the
Sure.
comment and you see what them I say. You understand? Yeah.
Yeah.
Right. Somebody say what airport? Listen, I when you travel from Montego Bay, you can't take 2 hours, you can't take 12 hours. Somebody really asked that question. But big up yourself, me not get nobody, so I'm gonna put on 2 more persons, see if they can get a look. Alright?
Yeah.
Alright, my bro. Big up. So me get to work on guys. By the time I do this, more hear what people are saying. Let me hear the one first. Well, Mr. Waki, give me a minute.
Good night, Damien.
Good night, darling. How are you?
I'm good, you?
Me there, I try match up 2 people, no?
Me don't want to go Florida with kangaroo, you know, cause me want to see how which plane him take, you know.
Somebody said depends on the airport in a comment.
How much airport, how much, how
No,
much,
they said depends on the airport where I left from. Remember, we have 2 international airports. So.
me I go say to you, cause me, last time me check my headspace at 2 airport, me know, me never been to Montego Bay yet, but me know Kingston. You have one airport at Kingston, so there's no point in time you go take 12 hours to reach. Me never go Florida, me go Miami airport, me go Chicago, me go Miami to go at Chicago, so me no know. But him depend every platform, you know.
Alright, eh?
Him depend every platform, a local man. But this is what I see with him. When somebody or you fi put it up, when somebody agree to talk to him harass the people him inna them inbox and him can't give them a breed and or nothing at all. Him just dung na them soul case.
Okay, so you get to work.
Yeah,
That's
man,
right.
in depend every platform, man. A look, man. Every platform in depend a look pan, but when I want to travel with him at Florida still, me not tell no lie.
Man, thing, you know.
Me not want to come to Florida with him.
So what you do? You want a body pan the show off a show or you just a call?
No, you know, say the other day, me inbox and me send you my number and me not hear back from you, but
Stay with me, man. Sometimes all the messages send and I not get to read them. I apologize. I
oh,
apologize. So you get the chance now if you want to put it out there, somebody might watch and because sometimes when you come on now, after when we repost it, people will see it and say, oh, I want to talk to the lady there, where she come from? Right. How much are you there now?
me dear NJ.
You there, Jamaica? Or New
NJ,
Jersey?
NJ, NJ.
NJ, time for what? New Jersey?
Yeah.
Okay. So you're there, New Jersey. So you prefer one man overseas?
Yeah, me not travel with nobody. You crazy?
You mean you're crazy?
No, you mad? For all me see people, you left out of your comfort zone now and say you got Jamaica and go look for somebody else. Some of them analyze you, some of them thought you. Me? You must be crazy. No, sir. Me not do them
Alright.
something there.
Don't live your life in a fear, though, and not get happiness. No make happiness pass you by, alright?
Me rather stay single because me not go there go marry to nobody and carry them up here. Me? No, ma. Me not doing it.
Okay.
Me not doing
Alright.
it.
Somebody text me say they want to say you look on video. You have video on your phone?
Them can't check my page, but me not show my face because my kids them on social media. Them can't go look on my page.
Alright. Big up yourself and thanks for calling, my friend.
Alright, no problem.
Alright, cool. Yeah. Alright. Oh, what did I say my request? You got to say my. Sure look good. Mr. Waki, I add Mr. Waki. And then Mr. Waki can bingo in the night. Mr. Waki.
Yo, what going family?
You there, man? What you up to? You want one woman tonight?
But they are still in the kitchen here, you know.
Oh, in the kitchen. A single show, me there I keep still.
Yo, you see the brother where I call where I go? You know, say, from Jamaica, from now Kingston there, to Miami, a 1 hour and 20 minutes.
We know, man. But we know we know the truth, so we know dry you up, make it come like say, we don't know. We know. Who who travel know. You understand?
But yo, where the Palm Beach me come from still, I fly to Jamaica every year now. I left from Palm Beach and come to Jersey.
They say you want somebody with you. You're there in New Jersey, you're 46 and you're single, right?
Yeah, man. But, yeah, man. You have to link me still after the year now because I try to link up and with you, but you're not messaging me.
Just send me back one fresh message and me see it. Alright, me G?
Yeah, man, I say alright, man.
Alright. Big up yourself. Alright. So one girl sent my request a while ago. Where's there? Nehemiah son. What kind of fake page is our? What is this? This one next page. Alright, so one lady will come up in her box. What if somebody see you see some finally? Blessed 88. A lady this a man. Hello?
So fair deal.
Oh, your picture looks a man with them long hair there. A Rasta man.
Yes, man.
Yeah, can I see it? A while ago, I put up, I say, me look good if I want lady this a one man. And I say,
Maybe
oh,
I watch
kaya.
a program on
Yeah.
YouTube, you
Bless,
know, maybe I watch
blessed
all your
88.
posts.
How are you there? Send kids there?
Yeah.
The flag, me see man. Me see say you're a yard man, but you're the same kids. So you up to? You look somebody in the night, yeah?
No, not right now. Me I go on easy. Me get hurt 2 years ago. Me I go on bill. Me I go on heal.
Oh, you get her 2 years. Where at you come like you didn't love the girl. If your man say, I go and bill and heal. That's not normal, bro.
No, man. I'm a baby mother, man. Me I go on heal.
Jaja. Wow.
Me listen to the program, man. Me listen it, man. Me I listen about call it 2 years now.
That means you watch me from over YouTube then.
Yeah, over them me listen to all of them.
Yeah, man.
Boy,
I watch
me
me
I
from
tell a story. A whole heap of hurtful things. Whole heap of hurtful
Hold on,
people.
my boss. See me I get one lady and me say if she real. Ever bless. I like pause. Never play sharp play around. Ever
Me good,
bless.
man. Me just a heal you up, man. I look a bit still.
Yeah, man. I appreciate it, G. Yeah? I'm going to watch myself here. Big up
Yeah,
yourself.
man. Alright. Active.
Active, bro. So ever bless admin, I wonder when she pause the live. Alright.